Okay, everybody, the weekly preview for February 27th to March 3rd. Some important announcements. I have office hours 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. on Monday. On Tuesday, there's no live class because there's MAPS testing. And then Friday, office hours 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. So it's Q3, week 6. Monday, we'll understand the financial and legal requirements of owning a car. With the homework there, the project sales pressure worksheet. Tuesday, again, no live class, but you do have the lesson buying and owning a car with the key terms: lease, liability insurance, collateral insurance, and comprehensive coverage. Wednesday, you have the CYU choosing a car. Thursday, your vocabulary there: landlord, lease, references, and security deposit with the lesson renting an apartment. And then Friday, the key terms: mortgage, down payment, escrow, and realtor with the lesson buying a house. Hope you have a great week. Reach out if you have any questions.